Hello guys, this is Andrew from Wonderful Gadgets. So recently we have been hearing a lot of people asking the questions, the issue about the Brother TN650, and they ask a question: how come they can't install a toner and attach to their drum unit? Because in most of the case, when you are installing the toner, the drum unit, you will hear the clicking sound because the toner is basically on the top in here, this slot. So to solve this problem, I am going to show you how to do the troubleshooting. So a lot of people, the way how they install is like that. They just simply put that, they don't aim to the right place. So the plastic is gonna stuck in here, and then they just push hard, so eventually they will break this drum unit. So the correct way to install this is always to make sure that you aim the two sides of the slot in here, and then you put it out this side, so you will be able to put inside the toner and attach with the drum unit, and this is the correct way. And once the drum unit is attached with the toner, you will be able to print, and there won't be any problem at all. So thank you guys for watching my troubleshooting videos, and I will see you guys in the next video.